Today we will be talking about types of blocks in Scratch. You can see that I have already listed 4 types of blocks here. There are 2 more which we'll be discussing at the later part of the video. Let's start with the hat block. If you go to events, you will see that there are multiple hat blocks. There is a curve at the top and there is a bump at the bottom. It usually means that nothing can be connected on top of it, and usually they start a code. You can attach other stack blocks under it, like move 10 steps, maybe saying something for some seconds. If you connect them together, it usually becomes an animation script. You can detach them, and let's move on to the third point, which is a reporter block. Reporter blocks, as the name suggests, reports something. Now, if you go here, you will find some blocks like touching mouse pointer or touching edge, or maybe when space key is pressed, then it will report the event and something will happen that we code in the script. Then we have end block. End block, as the name suggests, ends something like stop all. It has a notch at the top, but there's no bump at the bottom. That means that you can't connect anything under it. Now, the fifth type, like I said, is a C type block, like this one, or a forever block. You put multiple commands or multiple blocks inside a C type block, which runs like a batch, a set of instructions that execute together. And lastly, the sixth type is um, Boolean. Now, and or not. These blocks are Boolean blocks. They help us in giving a true or false value. So now we have learned about 6 type of blocks. Hope you like it.